Hi friends, welcome to Estela's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show another healthy snack recipe for everyone at home. This is Sesame Laddu. Let's start the process. Take 1 cup of sesame seeds and dry roast them in the pan. You have to roast them until they start changing color and you hear the spluttering sound from the seeds. Until then, you roast them and bring them to room temperature. Now take quarter cup of dried coconut pieces and roast them until the color changes. Once they turn to brown in color, take them to separate bowl and let them come to room temperature. Now take quarter cup of peanuts and roast the peanuts too. Roast all these ingredients in medium flame so that you won't burn them off. Now take a mixie jar and first add the roasted dry coconut pieces and make them into a powder. After that, in the same jar, add the sesame seeds that we have roasted and kept. See, I have added both and I have made a coarse powder out of those both. We should not blend them for very long time. If you blend them for very long time, sesame seeds will start leaving out the oil. So just this kind of texture will do. And now into the same mixing jar, add half a cup of powdered or grated jaggery. For 1 cup of sesame seeds and quarter cup of peanuts and quarter cup of dry coconut, we have taken half a cup of jaggery and give it a good mix. If you do not mix these three ingredients together properly, your mixie will not run smoothly. So give it a good mix and then blend it once. Now take these into a mixing jar and we have roasted peanuts, right? Blend them coarsely and add these peanuts into the same bowl. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Now mix all these ingredients nicely with your hand until all gets mixed properly. See, here I'm using my hands and I'm mixing all these together. Now we have to start making laddus. See, take the desired quantity into your hands and start making laddus. All the ingredients that we use to make this laddu are very healthy, especially for present generation kids who are eating a lot of junk food. Such kind of dishes have to be introduced to them and you have to make sure they eat these kind of dishes to keep them healthy in longer run. Hope you like the recipe. Do try it for sure, and if you like it, share it with your friends and family members. And for more such kind of healthy recipes, click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching Miss Chilla's Kitchen. Bye everyone.